Right, solve cos 2 theta is equal to sine theta for theta being between 0 and 360 degrees. So cos 2 theta is equal to sine theta, and the problem here is that we have two different variables. You should always bear this in mind as well. We have two different variables. We've got cos 2 theta and sine theta, so we should try and make the variables the same. Now for cos 2 theta there are three formulae, but we should use the one that's got sine in it only. So we're going to use that cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So now replacing this with 1 minus 2 sine squared theta is equal to sine theta. This is a quadratic in sine theta, so we should put it equal to 0. So adding 2 sine squared theta minus 1 to each side, if we do that to this side we're going to get 0. To this side we're going to get 2 sine squared plus sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Now hopefully this will factorise. If it doesn't factorise, then the next procedure would be to use the quadratic formula. However, it does factorise. So we've got 2 sine theta, we only want 1, so we're going to have 1 and 1. This one will have to be plus, so that will give me 2 sine theta minus sine theta. So plus 1 minus 1. And then we say either 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives that sine theta must be equal to a half. That's adding 1 and dividing by 2. And then do sine to the minus 1 of 1/2, and we should know that's 30 degrees. And then go into our South Asian Tennis Club or caste system. Now we want to know where sine is positive. So sine is positive in the first, this is the first and the second quadrant. Remember the quadrants go first, second, third, fourth. So this will be 30 degrees, and this will be 30 degrees as well. So you always make the angle with the horizontal axis. So theta will be 30, or the other angle will be this one. So we can find this one by doing 180 minus 30. So it gives me 30 degrees or 150. Or sine theta plus 1 is equal to 0, which gives that sine theta is equal to minus 1. Now, when you have sine or cos coming out being equal to 0 plus or minus 1, it's best just to use the graph for that. So you should know roughly, it's only a sketch, to do a rough sketch of the graph. So that's y is equal to sine x. Where is it equal to minus 1? That's here. So it's here at 270, so we get theta is equal to 270. So now writing out all the solutions in ascending order, you're going to get the theta was 30 degrees, 150 or 270 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a trigonometric equation and using the double angle formula and giving your answer in degrees. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.